Congratulations! If the affordable supercar you've been dreaming of is a stunningly beautiful front-engined Infiniti G37 based kit, then this Notorious from Zedro Motors could be exactly what you need. The Zedro Notorious is offered by a Lebanese manufacturer who offers the model as both a DIY kit and a turnkey model. The upgraded exterior gets installed directly on top of the stock G37's chassis with no cutting or welding required. The Notorious is sure to draw everyone's attention with its Lycan-esque styling and rowdy V6 exhaust. Best of all, prices start at a low $14,000, meaning you can easily achieve supercar looks without a supercar price. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Notorious and Zedro as a company, you can do so by clicking on the top card right there. I've covered the model in full detail, and it's definitely a great place to start researching the model if you're interested in getting one. If you're not so interested in this model, or you want to start over and try for a different result, you can do that by clicking on the bottom card right here. Now that will take you directly back. You can try for a different path and end up with a different result. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.